The Republic of India occupies most of the land on a large triangular peninsula in the southern part of Central Asia, commonly known as the Indian subcontinent. The country lies entirely to the north of the equator, and the Tropic of Cancer passes directly through it. A good deal of India is bounded by the Indian Ocean, which in this part of the world consists of the Arabian Sea, the Laccadive Sea, and the Bay of Bengal. The island nation of Sri Lanka lies near India's southern tip. The northern boundary of India runs through the Himalayan mountain range, where it borders the nations of China, Bhutan, and Nepal. Except for some disputed territory, India's entire western boundary is with the nation of Pakistan. Further south and east, the lands of Bangladesh are completely surrounded by those of India, while the territory of Myanmar runs all along India's easternmost boundary. India is one of Asia's most diverse, unique, and fascinating countries. It's a nation with a large desert, lots of towering mountains, several huge rivers, hot, fertile plains, and tropical rainforests. India is the second most populous nation on Earth and is expected to overtake China to assume the #1 spot in less than 10 years. Because nearly half of its 1.3 billion citizens are eligible to vote, India is also the world's largest democratic nation. The people of India come from more than 2,000 different ethnic groups. They speak 122 major languages and around 1,600 more local ones. The vast majority of Indian people practice Hinduism. Followers of Islam, its second major religion, make up about 14% of the population. Other Indians practice a variety of religions, including Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, and Christianity. India currently has one of the world's most rapidly developing economies. Many Indians are well educated, so it has a large and increasingly prosperous middle class. And yet, it is still a country where severe poverty, malnutrition, illiteracy, lack of good sanitation and clean water, as well as waterborne illnesses, are all quite commonplace. In fact, India is home to nearly a third of all the world's poorest people. India has several huge cities. For example, New Delhi, India's capital, is located in a metropolitan area with a population of 24 million people, which makes it the fourth largest city in the world. New Delhi also has the dubious distinction of being the city with the world's most polluted air. Next in size is Mumbai, which is home to 21 million inhabitants. Mumbai is the world's 11th largest city, and Kolkata, India's third largest city, has a population of 14.7 million people and is the 17th largest city in the world.